Yo, what's up mga ka-Chismax? So, ready na kayo? Huwag na natin patagilin. Let's do this, let's go!
Kris Aquino returns to the Philippines to start a second round of treatment for her illnesses. Her friend Len Alonte confirms Friday, September 13, Aquino has landed in Manila. The actress is set to receive treatment in 2 to 3 weeks and in an Instagram post says she will need emotional support from her family, closest friends, and doctors. She is diagnosed with 6 autoimmune conditions and is awaiting test results for 2 more. Aquino also shares while she was previously struggling to improve her health, she is now struggling to protect her vital organs. She writes, "This is now the fight of my life."
Ayan mga ka-Chismax, no, napanood nyo, no? So pag-pray natin si Miss Kris Aquino, no, habang nagpapagaling, no, na tuluyan ang gumaling sa kanyang karamdaman, no? Actually, dami niyang sakit, no? So makikita nyo, no? Pero lumalaban si Miss Kris Aquino. So update lang natin, no? So hopefully malagpasan niya tong mga pagsubok na to sa kanyang sakit, no? Panalangin natin, prayers. Yun, malaking bagay po yun, no? Mga ka-Chismax, tulungan natin sa panalangin si Miss Kris Aquino na gumaling. Well, of course, namimiss na siya ng mga fans niya, I'm sure, no? At bumalik sa show business. So yun lang mga ka-Chismax, hanggang sa muli. Ito po si Cesar Castillo Jr. nagsabing tiray mo na yan. Baka tiray pa rin iba. God bless. Peace out.